Today we will do refraction of light through glass slab. All of you have seen a rectangular glass slab, an incident ray falling on it. If there is no glass slab, it would have gone straight like this. But because there is glass slab present on the path of incident ray, so it will bend towards the normal because glass is optical denser medium. When light ray is coming out of glass in air, it will bend away from the normal. And because air is optical rarer medium. In this way, we will find out that emergent ray is parallel to the original incident ray. ABCD, it is rectangular glass slab. PQ is incident ray. QR is refracted ray. RS is emergent ray. And N dash in the figure is normal. Angle I is angle of incidence. Angle R is angle of refraction. Angle E is angle of emergence. Angle I is greater than angle R1 and angle R1 and R2 are equal. Angle I is equal to angle of emergence and the distance between original incident ray and the emergent ray is known as lateral displacement or lateral shift. It is represented by symbol D. It is lateral shift. Now we will be doing laws of refraction of light. There are two laws. First law, it explains that the incident ray, the refracted ray and normal all lie in the same plane at the point of incidence. Second law, it is also known as Snell's law. It states that angle of sine of incidence upon angle of sine of refraction is always a constant, and this constant is called refractive index and it is represented by symbol. This is the symbol nu. There are two types of refractive index. One is absolute refractive index. It is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum or air upon speed of light in medium. C is the symbol for the speed of light in vacuum or air. Second is relative refractive index. It is the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to speed of light in medium 2. And it is written like this: refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. These are two types of refractive index. Cause of refraction of light. First cause is speed of light is different in different medium. Second is refractive index of different medium is different. These are the two causes of refraction of light.